After we have the new pump put into the position, now we can connect the existing transparent flexible hose back to the connection. Okay, and lock it, proper lock it, and the existing flexible hose come out from the filter will be connected to this point for the tumbler. Lock it. So after you change the new pump, but still with the transparent hose, now you can manually run the pump and lift out this suction tube, push down this rolling block and make it pump running, no suction any material, and the ink will be flow back to the bucket until all the ink is fully returned to the bucket. Then now you can stop the pump and replace to the new hose. So same, we can remove all the existing hose